Yung 8% po ba na tax is after mabawas ang monthly contribution sa SSS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig or sa buong monthly salary na natatanggap? The answer is sa buong monthly na natatanggap or yung income mo as a freelancer. Again, for the 8% income tax rate option, yung 250k lang ang non-taxable income natin. Hello, my name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at GA Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. Balik tayo, 250k lang ang pwede mong ibawas sa income mo. Wala nang other expenses. Ganon si 8% income tax rate option. Pinasimple na siya. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-ipon ng mga resibo for your bookkeeping. Basta 8%. Paglagpas ng 250k, 8% nun ang magiging tax mo. Ganon siya. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.